Install Shotcut Video Editor version 24.04.28 in Linux MODICIA OS 24. Download the Install Shotcut Video Editor file from the link below the video. Now he opened a terminal. Now copy the commands into the terminal one at a time and press enter. We will download the latest version of Shotcut in the app image version, so as not to modify the distribution's file system. Now let's create a new launcher and it will automatically be added to all menus of the distribution. Enter the comment, the launcher name and look for the program icon. Now connect the program that resides in the opt folder of the file system, then confirm that you want to integrate it into all the menus. Everything is ready. Shotcut is installed without modifying the file system, libraries or partitions. Your distribution will remain stable, and when you want to delete or update it, just one click will be enough without damaging the system.